All these words start with the letters C and O in order. Let's see how many you can guess. To move smoothly along the surface. The answer is coast. When you look at two things to see how they're alike or different. The answer is compare. If you say the opposite of what someone claims. The answer is contradict. Every action has one. The answer is consequence. When you honor or remember something important. The answer is commemorate. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. Come back tomorrow for 5 more new words, and don't forget to subscribe.